We cover everything from robotics, circuits, systems, signal processing, healthcare, materials, energy, pretty much everything that's been engineered that you're familiar with, radios, communication, television, automobiles, has been heavily using what electrical engineers do for a living.
He said engineering is the application of math and or science to improve or create useful things. And I said, well, okay, that sounds pretty cool. And I remember Mr. Edwards telling me, well, there's all types of engineers. You can do civil, you can do chemical, you can do environmental. And I remember asking him, well, which one makes the most money? And he said, electrical engineers typically make the most, and I've been stuck there ever since.
What led me to pursue my path in electrical engineering is I enjoy a challenge. Not only do I enjoy it, I seek them out. I believe that in the past, if people did not challenge themselves, we wouldn't have the quality or luxury of life that we have today.
Society is becoming increasingly dependent on new technology, and even if it's not dependent, everybody wants new technology. So I'm really excited to be able to enter the field and really develop electronics and communication systems primarily.
I would definitely recommend to study electrical engineering if you want to be part of the solution. For example, you can work in renewable energies, or you can work, for example, in biomedical research.
I think that for any student who's coming into the EE department, you don't necessarily have to worry about being stuck in just one particular traditional EE project with just plain old circuit analysis.
It's always good to have something outside of just, studying and outside of just your academics to get involved in. My friendship that I built, especially on the football team with the guys that I've made, is an experience and it's a relationship that will last a lifetime.
We have an active program for undergraduate students called the REU program, Research Experience for Undergraduates. And many students that engage in this program get to work with faculty members and other graduate students, learning what research is, participating in various projects.
I get to work with a team of students, and we get to actually apply what we've learned in the classroom in a real life scenario. So it's been really interesting, and it's been very educational to follow a long-term project through from start to finish. And it's also really cool to see a practical application of everything we're learning.
I would say that I really enjoyed that USF and the electrical engineering department is really open to international students and other cultures.
The professors here are definitely friendly, and they're open. They come with open arms to you, and you just have to accept it, and you just have to go and just build relationships with the professors, because they really present a lot of opportunities here at USF.
I would encourage any student who excels in math and science to definitely consider a career in engineering.
Kids can think that it's tough and it's a hard major, but it's not. I mean, if you really just put your mind to it, if you really focus, and with all the help, especially with the diversity here at USF, the students are friendly and they're willing to help each other out.
In Stephen Covey's words, begin with the end in mind. To me, these words mean whenever you have a situation, always think it through to the end. When you do this, you give yourself an opportunity to set goals and to find a way to implement these goals. In doing this, even though the goals may change, you're giving yourself a chance to succeed.